A very gigantic vast good afternoon to all our friends, viewers and students. Accept my hardest clarification today, once again the topic under discussion, which was last time I elaborated a little bit, but today I'll tell in detail, and that's life. William Shakespeare said that life is just like a stage, and we all are actor and actresses, and we perform our role, and then we departure. Another definition of Shakespeare said that life is just like a tale told by an idiot with full of joy and fury signifying nothing. So there are plenty of definitions about life, and today I will elaborate about some concrete and strong pillars of life. As we all know that the first pillar in our life is God, G-O-D. So God stands for, the first letter stands for generator, G for generator, O for operator, and D for destroyer. So I think that the all characteristics is in the letter of God, and God is although most powerful, almighty, superior, and we cannot neglect the existence of God in this world and universe. There are people who are pagan, infidel, non-believer, rationalist, communist. So they don't believe that there's a God. And actually the life is totally in dark. And whenever they have some problems, whenever they have some tension, frustration, anxiety, or any kind of the mind-boggled situation, they have no one. But thanks God, that whenever we think about God, our half of the problems, more than 80% problem, solves automatically, that God will do everything better and all right. This is the criteria that when we are having the strong, firm faith, belief about God, our life will become easier. So as we all know that this world, universe, galaxies, each and everything, the God generated, the God created, and God is operating, and finally end state, doom state, and judgment day, it will just destroy each and everything, and it's always written in the holy books. God revealed holy books, almost sent 124,000 prophets in different times period for the clarification of his existence. And that's why religion is also playing a very vital and important and integral part in our lives. After that, I have to say about the parents. The concept of parents, the concept of teacher is also good for the best approach in our lives. And I must say that if you have good teachers, obviously you have a very balanced society. And when the parents send us to school, college, university, then we learn many things from our teachers, and I salute to my teachers, because whatever I obtain in my life, just because of my teachers, they groomed, they polished, they make us a better person in the society. And I think that we must not forget, if we are doctor, professor, engineer, bureaucrats, lawyers, judge, or army officer, all credit goes to the teachers, because through those teachers, they made our foundation, and that's why we are the integral part of this society. So always respect your parents and always respect your teachers. After that, my dears, that in our life there must be education, because education enlightens your soul, enlightens your mind, and does that what is the concept of this life. Otherwise you are totally in dark. You're totally in dark. So this is the way that education is much important, and seek the knowledge. Even if it's in China, it is the holy sayings of Prophet, peace be upon him, and we have to believe on that knowledge, education, these are the very concrete parts in our lives. And we must obtain it at any cost, from anywhere, from anyone, from any person. So there must not be any hesitation if you're getting or obtaining knowledge. you can get it without any shyness. That's my strong suggestion for all of you. Through education and knowledge, you can make your dream comes true in this world and it's a reality. And that's why I'm saying that you have to obtain as much as education, as much as knowledge, because it will always very useful throughout your life. After this, I will talk about feelings. There are two types of feelings. One is positive, one is negative. Positive feeling led us towards care, and care led us towards love, and love is life. As the negative feeling led us towards hate, frustration, anxiety, depression, and finally will become evil in this society, in this world. I have to give example of Hitler, that he was having a negative feelings and he just destructed the world. And the World War First, World War Second is based on the negative feelings, negative actions. So I think we have to go positive one, because we need peace in this world, in our lives as well. So that's why I say about care and love. Love is life. Love is everything. As philosopher Rumi once said, that there are many different ways to reach to the God, but what I have chosen for myself, that's the way of love. And obviously, love is a great thing. And this entire verse and universe created by God on the basis of love, not on the basis of hatred. So that's why that you have to have in your life a lot of space, a lot of love for others. And this is the cry of the day as well. After that, I will say honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Always say, be honest towards your nation, be honest towards your relation, be honest towards your students, be honest to your society, be honest to your world, be honest to your country, be honest to your state. And that's the honesty which gives a great result in this world. And obviously, after that, I will talk about that work. Work is like a worship, because you are not known by your name, by your height, by your skin, by your color. You're always known by your work. Like you're a doctor, you're an engineer, you're a scientist, you're a bureaucrat, or you're a religious scholar. So that's your work, which always give you name, fame, and wealth as well. So I think that work is very important. Don't sit idle, because if you sit idle, you will just generate a bad society, and your society is always accepted and will touch the peak if our youngster, our generation, our public, our people, they always consider that work is ultimate option for success in this world and hereafter as well. So your work must be positive, not negative. Like sometimes you're working, but you're working half-heartedly, and that's not good. It seems like a worship. Like if you are doing worship with whole concentration, with full concentration, your worship will be accepted by God. Same if you are doing work by your heart, and you are doing it with honesty, so that will matter a lot, and the people will appreciate, society will appreciate, and your inner conscience will always be appreciated good. So this is the way that work is also an integral part in our life. So do something, never sit idle. Get a lesson from ant. If you see ant all the time at work, I think going here and there and just giving the signal towards other ants that go and reach to that destiny and do work, and whole life I am watching ants that doing work, not sitting idle. So that's why I'm just getting this lesson from ant, that do work, and do work. If you want to be famous, if you want to be satisfied and get inner satisfaction, your heart, just do work. Never stop yourself. As Work also gives us a lot of money, and money is honey. No money, no funny. So money is also having two aspects. One is legal, one is illegal money. So go for the legal, because it will comfort your soul. And if you're going for the illegal money, it will not give you that much satisfaction, and always you'll feel guilt for inner side of your heart. So I think money is also an integral part of life, but money is not everything. Relations are more important than money. I've seen many people in this world, they have a lot of money, but finally when we see them, so they are looking forward for the relations, like they are fed up from the money. Money cannot buy the happiness or satisfaction of heart. This is only, you can say, we must not go for that much materialistic approach that we forget each and everything and we become selfish. Having much money in your life can make you selfish, and money actually gives us a lot of options. And when you have a lot of options, so obviously you'll damn care about other people. For example, a person's that much rich, he has mobile, he has car, he has bungalow, he has abroad trip, and he has a lot of other community, and he damn care about other public and other people, because he has option. When you have limited options in your life, obviously you become honest. And if you have more option in your life, and money gives you option, you'll become drinker, and you'll become a bad person. Maybe you'll go towards immoral activities because you have a lot of money, and obviously it leads us towards destruction, selfishness, and obstinate, and you'll become arrogant as well, and you will not meet with people all by your heart, and you will not give the time to the public, because you think that you're a big thing, but you're nobody, because when we depart from this world, and we have only grave. And lucky people, if we are lucky, we will have grave. Otherwise, I don't think so that many people in this world, they passed away even not having their graves. So may God forgive us about what we have pollution in our mind. And after that, I will talk also about that. The important thing in our life is about patience and tolerance. Patience and tolerance, because this is totally connected with our actions. That if we are angry, and anger is basically a satanic power. So you just control your anger by having patience, by having tolerance, and these things. Now society lost such kind of things. Now people are impatient, and they have impatience all the time. They are in a hurry. So good people, they have patience and they have tolerance, and tolerance is the key of success anywhere, everywhere. So have patience, you will have good time in your life. The pain you're going through is temporary, but if you quit, it will last forever. So that's why never give up in your life, and this is my suggestion. If we think about it, meditation. Meditation means having concentration, and this is a practice through which you can receive a lot of things in your brain, and you can obtain a lot of knowledge, hidden knowledge, secrets will be revealed when you will have the practice of meditation. And meditation led you towards spirituality. Spirituality is very important. Do good things, good deeds, just pay alms, charity, help the poor. It's very important also in our lives, because we have to help those who are totally deprived in this world and society. And this is my suggestion, that if you have power, and if you have money, and you have brain, you have to just utilize such things in order to help the humanity. And humanity is the best thing on the planet. And humanity, humanitarian approach, humanism, and we all are human, and we must go for such things or such practices, because it gives you the satisfaction of your heart. So after that, you can say also that one is eternal life, means immortal life, hereafter life, and doomsday. So you have to do some practice, a good practice here. On the basis of such practices, you'll get a good reward in paradise, in doomsday, and final day. So this is the overall things which I've mentioned, and almost time, circumstances also involved in life. And I must say that the most powerful thing about time is it changes. So don't worry. If you're passing through a bad time, it will also change. So have patience in your life, and have tolerance in your life, and wait. Learn how to wait. And if you'll wait, good things come to those who wait. It's also a reality. And finally, I want to end this conversation, this lecture, by saying a beautiful quotation. My soul is not contained within the limits of my body. My body is contained within the limitlessness of my soul. So thanks a lot for hearing this lecture, for listening to this lecture. So may God bless you, and take care of yourself. Love you too much.